8 honest signs you are not with the right one. Do you believe if someone's truly meant for you, someone is your true soulmate and you are head over heels for them? Is it just a physical intimacy that drawn you both together, or you really worked on compatibility, friendship, accepting each other even in adverse situations? After spending a good few months, did you question if you're with the right person or not? If you're meant to be together or not? To ensure you're not stuck in an unhealthy and unfulfilling relationship, you need to evaluate your relationship and if this person is really meant for you. There are red flags and signs that tells that you both are not meant for each other. Number 1, compatibility. It is directly connected to the quality of the relationship. Happier relationships are the result of high compatibility between the partners. Without compatibility, you can stay together for a period of time, but that relationship will turn unhealthy, toxic, and unfulfilling. Number 2, honesty. Do you feel you just can't speak your mind to your partner or give your honest opinion on something because it will upset them or they might not understand or judge you, so you prefer hide the facts from them? Hiding, keeping secrets, not sharing details means there is a trust issue and some amount of disrespect towards each other. Number 3, on and off relationship. You broke up, but you tend to come back to each other to give a second chance to your relationship. You get back together after a good break to see if you can still work it out is an unhealthy form of relationship. It's absolutely draining and becomes toxic in a near future. Such relationship is emotionally exhausting, giving you sleepless nights, wondering where do you stand with each other. Although there is some love that bring you back together, but you fall apart soon after because you have behavioral dysfunctional patterns to deal with. You lack maturity or compatibility to handle the relationship. Number 4, your interests are different. Your opinions doesn't match. Your taste of food is different. Both of you like doing different things at different times. No mutual hobbies is a sign you are drifting apart. Love alone isn't enough in a relationship. At least some shared interest helps keep you binding and get going together. Although opposites attracts, but people with two different personalities will end up doing their own things and at some point give up on each other. Number 5, your social circles are not the same. With common friends and getting along with your partner's circle works well to make the relationship successful. You will not last as you both run into different social circles and your world seems to fall apart with no common interests and friends to talk to. Number 6, is the relationship a priority? Maybe there is enough love and compatibility too, but if it's not a priority for your partner, you will eventually fall apart. If your partner isn't ready to give up things in the times you need them most, it's unlikely this relationship will last. Another thing to check off, you two are available for each other in adverse times too, or just when it's easy and convenient. If so, you both need to work hard on this relationship to make it successful and long lasting. Number 7, needs. You both need to know what's your need from each other. Is it intimacy, more attention, communication, enough space, motivation, or appreciation? It's so important to feel emotionally fulfilled with your partner. In a nutshell, you and your partner need to know how to express your love for each other to keep it long lasting. Number 8, doubts. Having doubts is a bad sign, although you tried not to express it very often and choke yourself out with it, but sooner or later this becomes a pattern and you just can't trust your partner. Then it's a sign you are with the person not meant for you. However, no relationship is perfect and no person is perfect, but yet it's so very important to know the difference between the right relationship for you and one that's just not right for you. If you feel nearly the same as mentioned in the video and you question yourself, it's time you evaluate, work on it, and make a right decision and set each other free from unhealthy and unfulfilling relationship if required so. Please do not forget to like and share my video if found it useful. Thank you so much.